Welcome to Exhibitor Lounge, sponsored by ExhibitEdge.com. Now, I'm your host and your trade show mixologist, Michael Gray. Here each week we bring you simple, practical, and proven tips to improve your trade show marketing strategy, maximize your budget, and get better results. Well, today at Exhibitor Live 2015, live from the show floor, I'm here with Mr. Robert Hopkins from ESI. So Robert, first question I'd love to ask you is what brings you to the show floor?
Well, two things. I came here today looking for an asset management program, and I think I found one. I also came looking for interactive ideas to use into and incorporate into our exhibits for our clients.
Excellent, excellent. So question number two, ESI, tell us about your company.
Well, ESI stands for Exhibit Source Incorporated. I started the company over 30 years ago as a full-service, turnkey exhibit design, construction, and service company. So we provide our own labor, we have our own designers, we have our own internal team inside of a 100,000 square foot headquarters in Chicago. So we also have locations in Atlanta, Vegas, New York, Orlando for the United States, North America. We are global, so we have expanded our reach in recent years to coincide with our clients' needs.
All right, I'm going to put you on the spot. If there's one thing that you could say to the trade show community, what would that be?
Well, from an exhibit manufacturer standpoint, I think the key word would be total dedication. I think from our perspective, in order to serve our clients' needs, it takes a totally dedicated staff, not only the AE and the AM, but everybody top to bottom. We're available 24/7, and it really takes that in today's economy. I mean, not only do we have trade shows that we're running all across North America, but our reach has extended into Mexico City or China. We're all over the globe right now.
Well, that's great. Well, thank you so much for stopping by our booth here live at Exhibitor Live 2015. And as always, please respond with your questions or comments and let others know about ExhibitorLounge.com. Hey, we'll see you next time. Until then, I'm your host, Michael Gray, telling you, relax in the Exhibitor Lounge.